Have you been wanting to learn how those viral depth style edits are made? Let's make one, with a little twist. For this edit, we'll be working with this Odyssey clip. First, import your footage into the timeline. Then, go to the Effects panel and apply the Depth Scanner effect to your clip. Next, adjust the effect based on your computer's performance. I'm going to max out all the settings, which gives us a much more detailed result. In the Color Maps section, you can choose from different presets. For example, this is what the Perula preset looks like. For this edit, though, I'm going to use the Bone preset. The effect is basically ready now, but if you want to give it a slightly different look, you can add an RGB Distort effect. Set the amount to around 0.15 and the lens blur to around 90. Finally, to improve the contrast and bring out more detail, add a curves effect and make a few adjustments. And that's it, your depth style edit is ready. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.